The world of cosmetic dentistry has so many features to offer patients these days. Is pretty amazing. Today, if you have a smile or something about your smile that you don't like, come visit us at Caven Dental Group and we can talk it through. The key for you getting the smile that you like is complete and total communication with your dentist. And that's what we provide. We give you time to tell us your story, tell us what you want. We can utilize whitening, bonding, veneers, ceramic restorations, or a combination of those to create a smile makeover just for you. We at Caven Dental Group have an amazing process to help you achieve the smile that you want. It's called Digital Smile Design. Digital Smile Design is a process that allows us to take your photograph and simulate what your smile would look like before we even get started. And so you'll be able to visualize the end result and have input into it. So if you want something to be changed or modified, let us know in advance and we can organize that before we even do anything to your teeth. So the best way to start this process is to give us a call and come in and let us do an evaluation. Together we can figure out the great plan for you so that you can finally get the smile that you've always wanted.